welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing a new foundation. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm first gonna start priming with this just because this takes long on drying, so while I'm at it. So by the title, you guys probably know which foundation I am testing. I'm testing the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear foundation, and I'm also testing the primer. We're gonna mix them. We're gonna test them together. The bottle is so fancy. I love it, but it's wasteful, you know, for traveling. So I got the shade 230. I did swatched it already on my arm and I felt like it's too dark, but at the same time, as you look at it on the bottle, it matches my skin perfectly. But when it comes to, I think it oxidizes. First, let's start with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch primer. It actually smells good. I don't know if I took a lot. Oh, it's very liquidy. We're gonna test this foundation for 6 hours, I'd say, because it's already more than 2 o'clock. Okay, so it dries to like a kind of like a semi-matte finish. So the time has come. I'm also going to retouch my brows as soon as I'm done. Just the concealer. I'm gonna go back with it. I'm gonna try it. Now just know this is like a medium shade, I believe. Oh, I was supposed to shake the primer and I forgot to shake it. It's like a medium shade. And I know people have seen me like in person. They're like, oh my god, your skin is lighter than what I thought. And I was like, I mean darker than what I thought. And it's like my skin is like a light yellow undertone. And I have it's very rare when a foundation matches exactly like my skin. From what I saw, this is a very liquidy foundation. Can you see this? So typical, I'm gonna go half my face with a brush and half my face with a sponge. So I'm gonna start with the brush and I'm just gonna go. You see, this is gonna match perfectly. What it worries me the most is that it oxidizes, so I don't know how dark it's gonna look. I don't know how to feel about it with the brush. So now I'm gonna go in with the sponge. I think I'm gonna need another pump. Oh yes, definitely, because I already got rid of it. And this is the 3rd pump. It is full coverage. I swear to god, I have freaking bad luck with makeup. So it didn't break. This is why I don't like crystal. I don't know how the hell that dropped. It's like it dropped by itself. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see this footage and see what the hell that I did if I touched it. It did oxidize a little bit, but it matches with my skin. Okay, now we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm not gonna try a new concealer because I do have a new concealer to test, which I will be testing on another video. This is a foundation that I want to test and see, and I want to test it with a concealer that I already love. So far so good. It's setting perfectly with the foundation. Now I brought 2 powders. I brought the Airspun and I also brought the Maybelline one because I'm going to use this one for the outer part of my face where I didn't apply concealer, and then I'm going to bake under my eyes with this concealer. Powder. I haven't baked in a while with this powder. I'm obviously not going to bake for that long because I want for my face to have a little bit of a dewy finish, because that's what I'm mainly going for on summer. Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and the bottom of my eyes, and then I'll get back to you guys for the final results. I am done with the rest of my face. So far, I really like it. I feel like it's a little too matte for me, but I really like it. I did want to pause because I'm gonna try the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, the Universal Lip Luminizer. I barely have glosses, and now I'm getting more into glosses lately, so I'm gonna mix it with this one. This is a big, like, it's fat. It's a fat. I didn't want to say the word, but I was like, what do I say? It's like a, oh my god, this smells so good. I don't know. It's like a typical, it's like a typical lip color, like your regular lip color, you know. You just put it without nothing and you just go on around the day. That's what people, I've heard people say that they don't even put lipstick on, they just put this and that's it. I really like it. I'm not a fan of glosses. A lot of you guys know that. I'm more of a liquid lipstick, but I'm leaning towards, I'm trying to experiment more with glosses because I don't know, I feel like I look so good with glosses on. Overall, with the foundation, we're gonna test it. We're gonna test this. So far it looks amazing. I really like it. I like how it's set with the whole mixture of, we didn't put a lot of powders. It doesn't look that powdery. That's why I didn't bake for that long, because I knew that this foundation is matte, so I don't want to, you know. But every 3 hours we're gonna try and test this for like 6 hours because it's currently 3:32. I'm gonna try and test it probably for 7 hours, probably till like 10 p.m. or something. I don't know, maybe. Let's test this foundation. Today's Memorial Day, by the way. By the time you guys see this, I think it's gonna be June, the beginning of June. Yeah, if you guys see me a little crazy, it's because I'm 21, so I can have a little bit of alcohol, a little bit. What up? So my face is looking so good right now. I'm not gonna lie, I like this. I like this foundation. It's really, really good. I really like it. It's nice. It's full coverage, so it's okay. I want to update you guys with the whole foundation. It's been, I think it's been like 7 hours. No, I'd say it's been like 5 hours, I'd say, or 6. I'm gonna take it off because today's Monday and I go to sleep early, and yeah, I know I've been slacking on my videos and I'm really sorry, but it's just I have a lot going on. Like, I've been really busy. I decided to film today this video because I really wanted to try this foundation. Overalls on the reviews. 1, I really like it because it stays matte for a long time, and you guys can barely see like shininess, but you can see something. So I honestly don't mind because, as you guys know, once again, I want to be dewy for this summer, so I really don't mind it. But it's not like a dirty, ugly dewy, you know, like you look like you're sweating. It's not. It's like a nice radiant glow. So I will say I give this foundation a thumbs up. I really like it because I know it's expensive and that's what I don't like, but otherwise than that, I really like the fact that it looks so smooth on the skin, and it's a matte foundation, but it doesn't stay matte all day, you know, but it does last all day because, well, not all day, but I'd say it's lasted this whole 6 hours. Overalls with the foundation, with primer as well, I do give it a thumbs up. I knew I was gonna love it as soon as I applied it. I just love the application and how smooth it looks. And the lip gloss, let me just say, this lip gloss, I have not retouched this lip gloss not even once, and it's lasted pretty much all day, and I like the fact that it's very glossy. Like, you can tell, and it looks so good. I will be completely honest, for those who don't know and have never heard about this foundation, this is an expensive foundation, you guys. This retails for $34. It retails for $34. The shade range is amazing because it has shades for all skin types. That's one of the things that I really admired from Rihanna when she came out with this foundation, because the shade range, there were so many, and there were over 40 shades, I think it was, and I was like, what? I do suggest for you guys to get it if you are looking to get an expensive foundation. I definitely suggest this one. Overalls, out of all of the expensive foundations, I've only tried this one, and the Makeup Forever, and they're both amazing. I definitely suggest this one is more on the matte side, like lasts more on the matte side than that one. That one, the Makeup Forever, it makes you do it pretty fast. Yeah, that will be all. I've been talking here it's so long. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if you guys have tried these foundation before, or DM me or Snapchat me and let me know if you guys have tried it. I want to know and what you guys think about this foundation. Yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.